Hello everyone who will watch me on YouTube. Today I will show you the task that you have to solve, the second task. I will provide you the link by the email to this address. Unfortunately, not everything here is translated on English, but I want just to show what you will see here. You have to have to make sure that you opened especially this tab, Autonomous Driving Olympics. It's the task that I will show you. This task is also used on some Olympics, so don't mind. Unfortunately, these words are not translated, but here it is written qualification task, and here it is written don't hit the duck, and you have to click especially over here, and it will suggest you to register on the site. The registration is free and quick, so I hope you won't face any problems here. And here you can see the task, so I hope that I will translate it, but generally the idea is that you should drive a bot that should not hit the duck. So the, how to say it, perfect solution should look like this. You will have the output like this, and your output should be like that. You have to move until you face the very big, how to say it, yellow object on the screen. And you have to write the source code. The example of source code is presented, so you can look at it as the simple Python code. Let me just a little bit explain to you in 5 minutes, and you will have to write it in the separate file and upload it over here. So basically, the only thing that you have to do is to create the correct source code. Here, you can, if you want to do a little bit more than only this task, you can download GymDonkeyTown. This is the simulator for these bots. But to complete this task, you don't really need to install it. You can just upload the source code file over here. Well, what's happening here in Python? The most important part is invoking this function. A little bit, make it greater. By this command, you send the simulator the command to move with this linear and this angular speed. So you can assume that somewhere in the simulator there is the road and the bot that has the camera and 2 wheels, and you can provide it the linear and angular velocity. So if you invoke with 0, 0, it will send it to the command to stay on one place. If you send the command with 1, 0, it will send it the command to move forward with speed 1. And this function outputs 4 parameters. First of all, first parameter is observation that you can use with these commands to convert to the image. And you can process this image using OpenCV. You can import here OpenCV and do something with this image with OpenCV. The reward is the number that shows you how far are you from the perfect solution. I mean that if you want to know how far did you stop from the end of the path, from the real yellow duck, you can calculate this reward. Done is the Boolean variable that shows you that you really completed the task, and info is just some debug information. So the solution that makes the bot moves only forward forever is over here. So you send the command to move forward on 1 and rotate on 0. do nothing with image. And yes, the important function is to perform this step. So here you get the current information and prepare to move. And here you actually move and do it in steps. No, in this case, you do it forever. So if we try this code, well, somewhere open with Notepad. So here it is, exactly this code. I do Control Save, I close, I open Browse, and open this file, and send check. It says me that session is sent. Then it should show me that it is now been checked, and after a while it will show me the output. Let's wait just a bit. Yep. Unfortunately in Russian. Well, you can read this thing that your solution is false, and you have the very how to say it, well, you have a lot of information about what happened. You have the real position in every point of time, and moreover, in the bottom of this page, you can see the link to the GitHub. If you open it, you will get the auto-generated files. First of all, this is exactly the same log file that you can look through if you want. If you want to print something during the performance, you can do it with the regular print command. I open with Notepad. If you put here like print something, it will also output it over here. And what is more important, you get here in MISC, you get the MP4 file that you can download and watch what did you do. So here we did the infinite run and we hit the duck. While your focus is to stop somewhere in front of the duck, not to hit it. You can do it with the knowledge that you gained in the OpenCV lecture, where we captured the objects of the specific color. Do you remember when we tried to find the red cone? Well, this task is pretty common, not common, pretty similar. The only point is that you have to find the yellow object, and it should be larger than some kind of threshold. So your solution should be you have to find the yellow object. If it's great, if it has a lot of pixels inside, then you have to stop. To stop, you have to send the command 00 over here. And that's it. This link I'll provide to you. Don't forget, don't forget as wrong beginning of the questions. Don't hesitate to register here. It is easy. Questions so far? If there are no questions, then it means that it is clear for you everything that you have to do, and I hope it's true. You have to implement the source code file. You have to upload it. Can I check solution without uploading here? Unfortunately, no. Well, easy answer to a question, no. But there is the hard way. You can go to gym.town git and find the repo for Gymdiki Town. It is the very same, how to say it, simulator. You can build it and try to invoke this code over there. It would take much more time than just upload file over here. But you can try to, how to say it, to drive manually your bot in this simulator. Can you show where and how we find the initial code once again? I will provide you the link to the task. It will be the link over here. You'll have to register here and open this link. It is written here in Russian. Don't hit the duck. You click here, and you see all you need. You see the example of correct video that you have to get in the real in the perfect solution, and also you will have the example of source code that does the infinite loop, that moves forward in the infinite loop. Also over here you will have the browse button where you have to upload the file. Here is Russian, in Russian it is written browse. Don't hesitate to upload here wrong solutions. First of all, because it will always provide you very detailed output with log. And secondly, because I cannot get access to the incorrect solutions. I can only see, moreover, when you solve it, please send me the output of the GitHub. Because if you could see auto-generated, there are a lot of branches in this repo. And all these branches have unknown, well, some very weird name, and so I cannot find your solution in these GitHub branches. So when you get the correct answer, please send me by email the text that you completed the task and the link to the GitHub with the solution. And yes, and the just in case your login in here, when you will log in here, send me your login. Just in case if I will have the opportunity to check your solution here. In this case, please send me your login. Okay, some more questions. Okay, if there are no questions so far, then once again, please don't hesitate to ask questions by email. If you have some troubles, also you can write me an email, and in the worst case, we will just make an extra Zoom call that will help me to help you. And to complete this task, you have almost 1 month. Let's say that on Saturday of 26th, there is your deadline is Saturday of 26th, and I will have several days just to check your solutions. And after that, I will send you more specific information about the exam. The general approach that you have to send me both homeworks to get the access to the exam. Exam will be performed somewhere in the beginning of January, maybe in the middle of January. I don't remember so far. All right. If there are no questions, then that is it. Thank you for your attention during all the semester. I guess that the information was first of all new for you. Secondly, it was information full. I don't know how to say this correctly in English. If you have some questions, don't hesitate to email me. Thank you. Is there a class next week? No, there will be no more lectures. All the next our discussion will be on email. Sharuch, of course. I'm waiting for your questions. Some of the comments of ROS is not working in my system. Well, that is weird. First of all, does the ROS core work? Let me say another way. ROS core. First of all, does it block the terminal? Does it output just something over here that the process was started correctly and started core ROS service and no more? The question is, if there are some errors over here, somewhere over here, that means that you didn't complete the installation of ROS. If it is fine, then the error somewhere deeply. The question is, is your operating system Windows, and did you install the ROS for Visual Studio or not? Till everything, till this, everything is okay. Okay, then the next question: did you install ROS on Windows? I have installed on Windows. Okay, then please be more specific. Which exactly command is not working? While you're typing, the general suggestion is to install Linux. Because the support of Windows is, how to say it, experimental. And maybe something on Windows really can go wrong. I faced the problem that if I want to do ROS topic pub, some topic, some type, and then Windows does not support pressing tabulations to autocomplete the message. In this case, you have to type it manually. As you told in previous section, how to find ROS topic list and command to help. Really, ROS topic list doesn't work? If you just type ROS topic list, it will say nothing. Well, in this case, it says that it unable to communicate with master because I didn't run the ROS core. What's your output for ROS topic list? Does it say exactly the same thing, or it says that it cannot find the command ROS topic? Not exactly list, but some related comments to list. Well, there are no related comments to list. There are ROS topic. Wow. ROS topic. There are only 8 commands connected with ROS topic, and ROS topic list. There is nothing when I press tabulation more times. There is nothing happens. There are no commands. I stop it. There are no commands connected with ROS topic list. There are some commands connected with ROS topic at all. ROS topic. For example, ROS topic, as I just said, ROS topic pub, name of topic, turtle1, blah blah blah. The type, geometry, MSGs, blah blah blah. Windows doesn't support autocomplete of the message, so you have to type it manually by your hands. And in Windows, you cannot make the you cannot, how to say it, do it on the extra line. If you remember that I showed that it was linear linear column enter x column 0 enter and so on. In Windows this doesn't work, so you have to do something like this. You have to do the same thing, but in these brackets. You have to do linear, pam, x, pam, comma, y, pam, and so on. So in Windows, there should be something like YAML format over here, and then this should work. Well, if it doesn't work for you, then please email me, and we will connect to. We will just make the separate Zoom call to make sure what exactly is your problem. Okay. I will write to you about. Yep. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, if there are no more questions for now, then thank you for your attention. I'm waiting for your solutions. Sorry for my English during all the course. Okay, goodbye.